A logo. It's a seemingly simple symbol, yet it holds the immense power to make or break a brand. Think about it. When you see the iconic swoosh, you immediately think of Nike. The golden arches? McDonald's, of course. These instantly recognizable symbols are more than just pretty pictures. They are visual ambassadors of a brand's identity. But what exactly is a logo, and why is it so important? A logo is a distinctive image or symbol that represents a company, organization, or even an individual. It's a visual shortcut to a brand's values, personality, and promise to its audience. A well-designed logo can evoke trust, loyalty, and instant recognition, forging a powerful connection between a brand and its customers. Imagine a world without logos. How would we navigate the sea of products and services vying for our attention? Logos cut through the noise, providing a visual anchor for our ever-wandering eyes. They help us distinguish between brands, quickly identify our favorites, and make informed choices. In a nutshell, logos simplify our decision-making process. In today's visually driven world, a strong logo is non-negotiable. It's the cornerstone of a brand's visual identity, setting the tone for all other design elements, from websites and marketing materials to product packaging and social media presence. A memorable logo can be the difference between fading into obscurity and achieving lasting success. Now that we understand the importance of logos, let's delve into the different types and unravel the key elements that make them effective. Logos generally fall into 5 main categories: wordmark, lettermark, icon or symbol, combination mark, and emblem. A wordmark logo features the company's name in a distinctive typeface. Think Coca-Cola or Google. These logos rely heavily on typography to convey brand personality. Lettermarks, on the other hand, use initials or abbreviations, as seen with brands like CNN or HBO. They offer a concise and memorable visual representation, especially for companies with long names. Icon or symbol logos are perhaps the most recognizable, employing a visual image to represent the brand. Apple's Bitten Apple and Twitter's Bluebird are classic examples. These logos transcend language barriers, making them ideal for global brands. Combination marks, as the name suggests, combine elements of word marks and symbols. The Starbucks mermaid logo is a prime example. This versatile approach offers both visual impact and brand name reinforcement. Finally, emblems typically feature the company name or initials within a badge or crest. Think Harley-Davidson or Stella Artois. Regardless of the type, all successful logos share 5 key elements: simplicity, memorability, versatility, timelessness, and appropriateness. A simple logo is easy to recognize and reproduce across various mediums. Memorable logos stick in our minds, often employing unique shapes, colors, or concepts. Versatility ensures a logo looks good in any size or format, from a website header to a business card. Timelessness is crucial for longevity. A logo should endure trends and remain relevant over time. Lastly, appropriateness refers to a logo's relevance to its target audience and industry. A playful logo might suit a children's toy brand, while a law firm might opt for a more traditional and authoritative design. Color is a powerful tool in logo design, influencing how we perceive and interact with a brand. It evokes emotions, shapes perceptions, and communicates messages without uttering a single word. Understanding color psychology is crucial for creating a logo that resonates with your target audience. Warm colors like red, orange, and yellow evoke energy, passion, and excitement. Red, often associated with urgency and appetite, is a popular choice for food and beverage brands. Orange represents creativity and friendliness, while yellow symbolizes optimism and warmth. Cool colors such as blue, green, and purple evoke feelings of calmness, trust, and security. Blue, often associated with reliability and professionalism, is a popular choice for corporate brands. Green is linked to nature, growth, and peace, while purple represents luxury and sophistication. Neutral colors like black, white, gray, and brown provide a sense of balance and sophistication. Black conveys power, elegance, and authority, while white represents purity, simplicity, and cleanliness. Gray suggests neutrality and balance, and brown evokes feelings of warmth, earthiness, and reliability. When choosing colors for your logo, consider the emotions and messages you want to convey. Research your target audience and their color preferences. For instance, a logo for a children's toy brand might utilize bright and playful colors like red, yellow, and blue, while a luxury fashion brand might opt for sophisticated black, white, or gold. Remember, color can make or break your logo's effectiveness, so choose wisely. Designing a logo might seem daunting, but it can be an exciting and rewarding process, especially for beginners. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. 1. Brainstorm and research. Start by defining your brand's values, personality, and target audience. Research your competitors and their logos to identify what works and what doesn't. 2. Sketch your ideas. Don't jump straight to the computer. Grab a pencil and paper and start sketching your ideas. Don't be afraid to experiment with different shapes, fonts, and layouts. 3. Choose your typeface. Typography plays a crucial role in logo design. Select a font that reflects your brand's personality and is legible at different sizes. 4. Digitalize your design. Once you're happy with a sketch, use design software like Adobe Illustrator or Inkscape to create a digital version. 5. Refine and simplify. Aim for a clean and uncluttered design. Avoid using too many colors, fonts, or design elements. 6. Test your logo. Before finalizing your logo, test it in different sizes and formats. Ensure it's legible and visually appealing on various backgrounds and mediums. Remember, logo design is an iterative process. Don't be afraid to experiment, seek feedback, and refine your design until you achieve a logo that truly represents your brand.